Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Trello account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the account icon down below, which is the last one. Then scroll down till you find the delete your account section and simply click on it. Now you will be directed to a page where you can finish this process. Scroll down till you find the delete account button and click on it. Now you will have to repeat this process. As you can see, there is this kind of text that you can read before deleting your account. If you are ready, you can press the button delete account down below. So if you have done this, your account have been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.